Alright guys, I got a really cool wallpaper I wanted to show you guys, and it's the Game Boy Advance SP wallpaper. This is actually a collection, and I think it looks really freaking cool on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. The dynamic island is hidden by the border, and it just all fits nicely. You got, battery full, power on info, and then it just looks really cool with the customizable clock and widgets on the lock screen. I thought it was really cool. And this is actually kind of a trend on the iOS setups subreddit. A lot of lock screens have been shown off there using this wallpaper, so I figured I'd share it with you guys because I thought it was really freaking cool. Now, the pack comes with a few different colors, as you guys can see, so you're not limited to just the yellow. You can get black, blue, this retro style, green, gray, lime green, original Nintendo style, orange, pink, and there's a few more that are included in this pack, as you guys can see right here. I think it's really cool looking, and if you guys want to download it and rock it on your lock screen, all you got to do is go to the post on my website. I'll leave the link for this down in the description, so just come to this post, just scroll to the bottom there, say get it free here, and as you can see, there it is available on Gumroad. To download it from here, all you have to do is scroll down. It's available for free, so all you have to do is put in $0. If you want to donate more, you can to the developer for creating this. Just click I want this, and then you just simply put in your email address and you can download it. And that's all there is to it. That's how you can get the Game Boy wallpaper for the iPhone. I think it's pretty cool. Let me know what you think in the comments. This has been IDM, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.